Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook Arroz Con Gandules updated. Start by making a bright sofrito, then toast rice in annatto oil for color. Add gandules, broth, and seasonings, bring to a simmer, cover tightly, and finish on low heat until rice absorbs liquid. Let the pot rest off heat to steam gently. I will walk you through timing, texture cues, and simple swaps to make it your own. Gather ingredients and prep before you heat the pan to keep timing precise. Chop onions, peppers, cilantro, and garlic for a vibrant sofrito. Measure rice and broth, and have your annatto oil and pork ready to brown. If you prefer vegetarian, omit pork and add a splash of soy or extra salt for depth. Small steps up front make the cooking smooth and the rice perfectly tender. Start by sautéing sofrito and meat to build a rich base, then toast rice briefly for nuttiness. Add gandules and warm broth, seasoning with salt, and a touch of sazon or cumin if you like. Bring to a gentle boil, then reduce to the lowest flame and cook covered until the rice absorbs the liquid. Turn off heat and let the pot steam closed for 10 minutes to finish perfectly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.